Everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Rhyme Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how you can create a social marketing piece that you can use in Command or through your social platforms directly. So the first thing we want to do is log into our Command platform by going to agent.kw.com. From there, we want to navigate to our marketing applet, okay? So our marketing applet is going to be the one over here that looks like a megaphone. And we're going to go ahead and select that. Now from here, to create any social marketing pieces or any print marketing that you might be looking to create, you're going to go ahead and click this Create in Canva, okay? Now that Create in Canva option is going to redirect you to your KW provided Canva account, okay? You can also access this by going directly to canva.kw.com. That is also an option. It will bring you to the exact same screen for you to log in and utilize your KW provided Canva account. Now from here, if we are looking to create a social graphic to utilize for our social posts in Command or to just post directly to any of our social platforms, we can go ahead and either go to templates or we can go to brand and look at brand templates, okay? Now, lots of templates in here. The ones that are under the template category are going to be any templates available in Canva, okay? So they're not going to be real estate specific. They're not going to be KW specific. However, if you're looking for something generic like 4th of July, you could come in here and find something. You can also look for real estate in here by searching, and typically you'll find something. So let's say we want to do a real estate open house. We could go ahead and search that and it's going to pull up a ton of different designs, okay? Now we could also select the category. So if we are looking for something that is specific to Instagram or Facebook, we can select that and it will kind of eliminate any of the extra clutter, okay? Now, again, not specific to KW, but it is real estate. If you are looking for those KW templates that are already kind of KW colors and brand, you can come into the brand and brand templates. Now, from there, you can do the same thing. You could search open house, and you can find a bunch of different templates. Same thing here. You can also come and look for those Facebook flyers or Instagram stories or Instagram posts, and it will kind of clear out any of that extra templates to pull up, okay? Let's see if they have any holiday ones in here. I haven't looked for those. So again, search for holiday. Maybe you want to find a 4th of July one like we were kind of talking about. Let's just type 4th of July. There we go. So there are some different ones that we can kind of pick from. Okay, now this is a postcard. This is a postcard, but we could still use it for social posts if we wanted to. Totally up to you there. Let's see. Let's go to templates today. Let's just create a generic 4th of July one. So let's just type 4th of July. And then let's change our category. Let's look for a Facebook post. So let's go ahead and just pick one of these, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go with this one right here. Let's go ahead and click on it. We're going to click Customize this template. Now from there, you can of course add your agent branding if you want to. If you'd like to add your photo, you can add your office logo. If you need any other compliance related items, you can go ahead and add those here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and grab our logo. I'm going to come into our brand kit. Let's grab the SLM logo. And let's just pop that down here. We can also put Scott's photo on here if we wanted to. It's kind of hard to see over here, but we're gonna leave it. You can of course fade this too if we want to make it a little bit easier to see our logo. Fade this one too. Let's do 75 to make them the same. There we go. You can also fade these two if you wanted to. I'm going to leave them. I just wanted to make that logo a little bit easier to see. If we want to throw Scott's photo on here, you could just put it on there. You can also use a frame. So if you wanted to use a frame, you can come into Elements, find this Frames section, and then if you want a circle frame, if you want one with rounded edges, pop that frame on there. And then you can go ahead and pull in that photo on top of that frame, okay? Now, once we have this, how we'd like it, we have all of our compliance that we need, anything else we'd like to include on here, we can go ahead and download this, okay? So you can also share to socials if you have those connected, but we always like to post those through command and use our social post campaigns. So I'm going to just download this either as a PNG or a JPEG. JPEG is typically best for sharing, so I'm going to leave it as a JPEG and hit download, okay? All right. And then we're all done. We can open that up on our computer. We can move it into command for social posts. Um, we can post it directly to our social platforms, whatever you'd like to do. So yeah, that is our tip video for today on how to create a social marketing piece using your KW Canva account. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our team. Have a wonderful day.